Hello there, in today's video I will show you a boxing style workout. If Rocky Balboa knew about this workout routine, then he wouldn't have gone outside running in the snow, up and down a hill and up and down the stairs, or even punching dead animals in the freezer. No, he would have used this boxing workout routine.
The first exercise of this routine is the jump squat. I perform very light jump squats in this video and I suggest you to do the same because you will do a lot of repetitions. So I am only going about halfway when I'm squatting down and then I jump up only a little bit. The next exercise is the deadlift, and again use a very light weight because you will be performing a lot of repetitions for this routine. So if you're going too heavy then you will not be able to make it until the end. And then some rope skipping. Let's go on to the rapid knuckle knee push-up. This exercise is performed for 30 seconds and you can do push-ups from the knees on your fists and perform as many repetitions as you can. You can move your upper body alone or you can just move your whole body. It depends on what you prefer. Then the elastic band twist. Keep the range of motion as big as you can by keeping your arm to the side instead of keeping it in the position that you would use to perform a punch. And finally the boxing squats. Perform this with very light dumbbells, and what you will do is squat down and then perform a punch and then squat down and perform a jab, and make sure that you move your back leg when you're performing the punch.
Perform each of these 6 exercises for 30 seconds in a row, and after that you will repeat for about 5 times, maybe more if you can handle it. Alright guys,
Share your opinion about the video in the comments and also watch part 1 and 2 of the flexibility FAQs.